Sam's First Word by Birdsong, illustrated by Holly Hatam. There once was a newish baby. Her name was Sam. Sam could do many things. She could wave her arms and clap her hands and take off her diaper. The big people in Sam's family were always excited when she did something new. They smiled, they laughed, they cheered. You can do it. Go, Sam. And they wondered what she'd do next. Perhaps she will say her first words. They said, I hope it will be Mama, said Mama. I hope it will be Papa, said Papa. I hope it will be Nana, said Nana. I hope it will be Mr. the Autopolis, said Mr. the Autopolis. He was their next door neighbor. Poop, said Sam, but no one paid any attention. They were busy thinking about how to get what they wanted. I will sing a song for Sam, said Mama. Mama's song had 63 words, all of them were Mama. Mama, 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 Mama. Poop, said Sam. She waved her arms to get Mama's attention, but Mama was too busy singing. I will tell Sam a story, said Papa. Papa's story had 203 words. All of them were Papa. Papa, 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 Papa. Poop, said Sam. She clapped her hands to get Papa's attention, but Papa was too busy telling his story. I will paint a picture for Sam, said Nana. She painted Nana 86 times on the living room wall. Poop, said Sam. She pointed to her diaper. Nana didn't pay any attention because she had just remembered that Sam couldn't read. I will recite a poem for Sam, said Mr. the Autopolis. His poem had 44 words, 22 of them were Mr. and the other 22 were the Autopolis. Mr. the Autopolis, Mr. the Autopolis, Mr. the Autopolis. But Sam didn't pay any attention. She was busy thinking about how to get what she wanted. She had tried clapping her hands. She had tried waving her arms. There was only one thing left to do. Poop, Sam announced. Mama stopped singing, Papa stopped talking, Nana stopped painting. Mr. the Autopolis kept reciting his poem, but he lowered his voice. Poop, said Mama. Poop, said Papa. Poop, said Nana. Mr. the Autopolis reached the end of his poem. Poop, he agreed. Sam smiled. She laughed, she cheered, and she wondered what she'd say next. Farnsworth,